Rise and shine, all I and I's. How are all the eyes doing out here on this beautiful, lovely day? This is ElSea Jahzen in Egypt Dawn, back with another therapeutic video. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and let me know how you're striving to a therapeutic life. Greetings, all I and I's. Up for rise and shine on this beautiful, lovely day. This is ElSea Jahzen, and we're back in the garden, and we just got started. I just woke up, did my little skin, got my turmeric mask on. If y'all want a turmeric mask, go ahead and head over to my website. It smooths in your face and clears any inflammation in the face and stuff like that. It's good for inflammation, things of that nature. Go ahead and check out my Vital Ital food playlist to get smoothies and teas and herbal remedies that you need for your journey. All right, so that's what we're sipping on. Some Vital Ital smoothie. I know it may look like this isn't a teacup, but I had me some tea. Now I had me some smoothies, because we're going to need a lot of energy today, because we are working that compost bin today. That is our task for today. If y'all haven't checked out last week's video where we were transplanting plants, go ahead and stop what you're doing right now and go save the Restoration of the Garden of Eden playlist here on my YouTube channel. And make sure you get caught up on all of the episodes if you're just now coming in. So today we have a lot of food scraps to mend in today. And also we have a lot of, well, not a lot, but we have some dirt that we need to transfer over to the compost that was in a pot and stuff like that. Nothing, weeds was growing in it and stuff. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna go ahead and move that soil over to the compost area. And so let's go ahead and do that first. So this is a look at our compost area, which we have one. I didn't see this yesterday. This probably just popped up, but we have, I'm gonna have to transfer this out right here. This is just mulberry. We have mulberries growing everywhere. So if you would like some mulberries, get with me. I'll give it to you for free. We have it all growing inside of this compost bin right here. So what we're going to do is transfer this out, and then we're going to put all of our scraps. We've been saving our scraps all week in there. And so let's go ahead and put some water on our compost pile area, and let's get started, y'all. This is a beautiful, lovely day today. Once you rinsing that out, y'all see all of the compost right here. We're about to mend it in. All right. I'm looking for you to be in a program. Alright, y'all, so now we're about to go get this other soil and put it on top. just a little bit. Got it wet. It's another seedling right here. So we're going to be planting those 3 seedlings, and we're going to be putting some more soil on top of it. Alright, y'all, let's go get the soil. About to go get some more soil, y'all. Alright, so I just emptied out this pot. We're gonna be planting. To be honest, don't even ask me what this is. But we're gonna see. But I'm gonna put that in there and then put some seeds over it and stuff like that. So we're gonna be filling this up with some soil, some compost. Alright, so we're gonna dump this old soil in our compost. So today we are going to be growing again. I'm going to be showing y'all step by step on how that you can start your garden anywhere, anytime, in a whatever space that you have, out of your water jug. So if you save your water jugs, or if you don't mind just getting some water and water jugs and stuff like that, so you can do this process, do so. It's no excuse for you to be saying that you don't have the room or you don't have the space and all of that, and you don't have the containers. You do. These are for the people that complain about what they don't have. So in nature, utilize everything to your rise. And I've said this several times on this channel. If you go back, we started some basils out of these, but now the rain had hit it real bad and it was transferred out and things of that nature. Now we're going to be starting over again, and we're going to monitor these. We're going to see the progressions of them and stuff like that, and how they're transformed into a plant all inside of here. So I already poked holes at the bottom of it, and I already cut it. So you just want to cut it until you get to the back, probably about maybe 4 inches apart. Just cut it like that, and then just don't cut it all the way through. And then we're gonna be putting our soil in. It's like a mini greenhouse, and different sizes. So you could cut it as far or as low as you want, but we're not gonna be taking it out until it grows all the way within there. So we're gonna be keeping updates on this. So make sure you guys save the Restoration of the Garden and Eden playlist here on YouTube, so you won't miss a video, and so you can follow along the updates of how the Garden of Eden is doing. So now, we're also going to be putting some compost at the bottom of this.
we're not going to be doing our whole culture. We're not going to be putting sticks and stuff in there. We're just going to put some compost in, then soil for the both of these. And then we're going to plant our seeds. So the seeds that we're planting today is pepper. I feel like that will be very essential for us to start with if people decide that they want to start this method. Start saving your peppers. Peppers are easy to plant, easy to grow. Peppers is easy to come by, the pepper seeds. So just get some peppers from your local shop, save the seeds. It's easy to save your tomato seeds, pepper seeds, and things of the nature. Save your seeds so you can have some seeds, and then save your water jugs. Everything. Be resourceful and recycle everything in your path. Be replenishful. Okay. So save everything so you can have your seeds and so you can have something to plant with, and then go out in nature, get some soil if you don't have your compost bin mended up yet, and then or you don't have an area for it, and just grow what you can with what you have and what's around you. That's our motto. So we're going to be planting those, and then also we're going to be planting some orange seeds. So we have some orange seeds here. We're going to be planting some orange seeds and peppers. Now let's go get the compost out of the compost pile, and then we're going to be putting soil on top of it. Make sure y'all poke holes at the bottom of it so it can have good drainage. We don't want it to mold up and things of that nature. So I've already poked 4 holes in the bottom of this one, and 2 holes on the side of this one, and 1 at the bottom. Alright, y'all, let's get started with getting our compost. So I already had dug a hole because I was planting something else. I had planted more strawberries. So we'll see how that comes up. Planted the strawberries out of a cardboard box. A lot of compost in those little bitty things. Let's grab some soil. My power energy, that's my best one. Alright, so we got some soil. Got some soil. Compost. So we're gonna do this one first. We're gonna put some compost at the bottom of it. Put the compost in. This too. Yeah, there we go. This one. So this how it looks in there. And then on this, oh my gosh. It is right there. Put that soil right on top of it. Let's fill it up with some more soil. And put some more soil in it. Fill it all the way up. compost down. I'm putting the soil on it all the way up to the top. Then we're going to crazy gardener this. I don't know if that makes sense, but we're just going to dig like a hole in the bottom of it. Well, not in the bottom of it, but we're going to dig like 1 inch hole. Then we're going to put the seeds over it just like that. So I'm going to show y'all closer. So I just spread the seeds out just like that, but you can do yours like, you can do a rose, you can do dots, but I like to spread it out, especially if it's peppers and like that. I spread it out just like that, because we're going to be transferring all of these out. It's not going to stay in here. This is just a starter. This is just for starters, for when you want to start something. Then you transfer them out to a bigger cardboard box or whatever you got, and whatever you can find. Oh, I need to put that app on my, it's an app, I'm gonna put it on my website. It's an app that you can download, and people be putting and giving away free stuff. So and it's worldwide. They be doing different locations. All right, let's move on to our next one, y'all. We got our compost. We're putting it in first. The small pieces, we're not putting the big chunks in there. Oh, put too much. Put too much. We're just really doing 1 layer of compost. Put a little bit too much. And then the rest we fill it with soil. We're not filling it all the way up with compost. We're putting on the bottom of half, like 1/4 of the bottom, then the rest of it with soil. Just like that. Now these seeds we're going to be planting orange, and so I just did that one. I thought I did have some orange seeds here, but we're just gonna plant these lemon seeds because I thought I just had them. Actually, they probably blew away. I literally just had it. Alright, y'all, so there's that. That's today's video, so y'all can see it better. We're gonna put some rainwater on it. Make sure you guys are saving your rainwater. So you're gonna water it with some rainwater. Alright, now we're gonna put it in full sunlight. These need full sunlight. These can also keep the bugs out. So you can just really come over here and like put it down. You can tape it or whatever. You can also put the top on it if you want. This one. Just like that. So that's our greenhouse. Let me put them on where, I'm going to show y'all where we're going to put them. So let me walk over there. Alright, so I'm going to put it right here by our apple tree. And I put some cardboard down so it can retain moisture, and also just to, you know, so it's getting sunlight now. This is where we're keeping them. Alright, y'all, so tune in for when we do a garden update. We restore the Garden of Eden, and we create different movements. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and let me know how you're striving to a therapeutic life in the comments. Peace.